Okay guys, we went to go see the Alvin and the Chipmunks movie like last week, and my son is obsessed with the girls. So I went to go tell him to go put on pants. He's gonna come and dance to the song. Just hold on. Kara?
Yeah?
Come.
I'm coming.
It's so funny. Ready?
Yeah. Freezer!
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Are you gonna dance this time?
Yeah.
Brittany, your time to shine, baby. Go out there and knock them dead.
Yes, sir. I can do it.
Take your bum. Come over here. Do it now, come on. Come on.
Like what you see? Call Ian Hawk. 310-555-5309.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.